Wow, that's actually pretty bright. And it's pretty compact too. There's a 8-inch ring light meant for the cell phone for selfies and stuff. It's powered by USB and it's pretty bright. There's a dim control and everything. So we'll go ahead and unbox this thing. Hi, I'm SterlingW. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I just got this in the mail, so pretty cool. Comes with a tripod and it's metal too. How neat. Tripod, it has a selfie stick, the light, the 8-inch light. And basically this is a metal ball. Nice. It has a metal panto adjusting ball, as well as a cell phone mount. But this ring light, it's pretty neat. This is a LED ring light that has a code shoe on the top, as well as like fittings for 1/4-inch fittings. Also a cell phone holder with a ball on the back, so this can actually hold like a larger cell phone, which is that's pretty cool too. And the cable and the control actually has, pretty cool. I'm gonna plug this thing in and see how it works. Instruction manual is right here. Apparently it has a gooseneck and those things. It's actually pretty straightforward. It's meant like a social media dimmable ring light. So let's take a quickie look at this and see what else is this on this manual and stuff, so I know how to install this thing. So tripod, and then you put that ball mount on it, and then that ball mount adjuster, and then on top of that you put that gooseneck thing, and then your cell phone mount, and then your cell phone in the center. Okay, pretty straightforward and simple. Not too hard, and it uses USB too, so it's USB powered. So it uses actually 1 amp 5-volt USB. It also comes with a 2-meter cable. Wow, that's pretty long. Anyways, let's plug this guy in, and I have my handy dandy 26,000 milliamp hour battery that I bring with me. I'm planning to have 2 of these things so I could light up projects so when I do it. So here's the on off button. It's lit when it's off, so I guess you could easily see it in the dark. And you power it on. Oof, that is pretty bright. That is very awesome. I'm just putting it in front of the camera right now. Now I'm planning to use this for not only for like selfies and stuff, but mainly for like, let's say, your webcam and stuff. So because this is USB, I'm planning to put it in front of my webcam. As you can see, I could change the color of the lighting, and I could have a cold warm light or cool light or just a normal balance light. So you actually balance it. Also, you could dim it too. So I'm dimming it, but my cell phone is actually countering the dimming by slowing down the shutter. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It works. But yeah, it comes with a 2-meter length cable, so you can actually run this anywhere. 2 meters meaning like about 6 feet or so, 6.5 feet. But here's that lighting again. If you want to take a look at the lighting, as you can see, I'm actually focusing somewhere else. You can see it goes brighter and lighter. Look at the orange, blue, and white light. Pretty cool. Is this cover shifts between the two? Pretty neat. This is pretty awesome. The inside diameter is 6 inches, so you could probably put I'm planning to put like a DSLR in back of this, or my portable vlogging camera, so that I could basically have lighted objects while I'm doing my videos of my engine, or when I do other videos that I'm walking about, or probably for my webcam. So you can see there's actually a mount inside that light, so you actually screw in a 1/4-inch mount in there, or extension, and it does come with that gooseneck, but that gooseneck ends with the ball, so that you can actually mount that the cell phone on it. So you can see that there's a ball mount for this as well. So I'm actually thinking if I get like a little extender, this should actually work pretty well with it, or I could work with my other tripod and stuff and put it on my other one, or mount this light right in front of my DSLR or even my cell phone. This is meant for your cell phone, but you don't have to use it for your cell phone. You can use the ring light to do like macro lighting and stuff, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do. I'm going to macro light this thing with my DSLR, but at the same time I'm planning to probably get 1 or 2 of these things so I can actually have it for my webcam when I do my conferences and stuff, so it'll be a much better lighting other than my monitor screen, because this is actually better controlled. As you can see, there's a gooseneck, which is nice, so you can actually bend it. It actually holds up to like, I think 3.5-4 inches for that cell phone mount. So whether you're using a cell phone mount or not, you could still use it, but as you can see, it's kind of offset because you can't really center it. It does move and rotate because it's a gooseneck. It's basically, you could position it a different way, but overall, it's pretty stiff. Anyways, that is pretty cool, and I plan to use this like as my portable light kit because it's super light. And it is mostly made of plastic for the light ring, but the bottom parts are all metal, which I thought was pretty neat. It is an 8-inch LED dimmable desktop lamp, but to be honest, you can bring this anywhere you want. So anyways, guys, I hope this was helpful to you. This is SterlingW, and I hope this was helpful to you. So there you have it. There is the 8-inch dimmable ring light. So yeah, pretty cool. Plan to use it, like I said before, just adds light right in front of your lens, so it looks good. And also it looks good for like doing fill light and stuff. Also side light or accent light. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful to you.